Hello and welcome to another payboxtimer's website navigation video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at our Devices tab. We can add or remove our Paybox devices with the Device tab. By clicking the Add New Devices button, from here we will enter our Paybox information. The first thing I have to do is to enter a label or name for my Paybox machine. The generic name washer dryer will always appear, but we can edit that and label or name our device whatever we would like. I am simply calling this washer. Next, I'm going to add the Paybox machine number, which you can find at the front of your Paybox device. Once that is done, you can now click Save, and my washer has been added. So let's go through this one more time. I'm going to add a device. This time, I'm going to call it dryer. And once that is done, I'm going to enter my Paybox machine number. Now I'm going to click Save, and now my second device has been added, and we can see that in my list of added devices. If we have to delete a device, that is a simple process of selecting the device by checking the square and clicking Delete. And now my device has been deleted. That brings us to the end of today's video. Hope that helps.